So me and the boys went out for some drifting. My brother recently had purchased a FRS. It's like a 10 series, something like that. It's like special edition FRS. And my friend Quantez, he also had recently got himself a S197 5.0 Mustang. My brother hasn't really ever drifted before, so I was in the car with him while he was driving his FRS trying to show him how to drift. He was kind of spinning out most of the time, but for the most part, he was starting to get it after a while. Then I hopped in the driver's seat and tried to show him how it was pretty much done, how to just do a basic donut. The car actually handles very, very well. I would like to have one, but I'm a little too tall for that car.
Look at the peeps over there telling us to keep going.
Now it's my boy Tezzy-son's turn to shred some tires in his S197 Mustang. And now it's my turn to put the Mustang to work. These cars are actually really good for drifting. You just gotta know how to deal with the steering and how snappy the cars are. After almost getting busted, we found another spot in Mexico where we can just practice and have a little bit of fun with the cars and begin to get better at drifting. By the way, this is that man Tezzy's son. Follow him on Instagram.
Yes, sir.
He joined the 5.0 gang. That was the car right there. You didn't counter steer.
So what?
I said you ain't really counter steer at all.
Yeah.
But then again, it looked like you didn't really have to.
Jesus Christ.
Brakes.
Jones is ridiculous, bro. I'm gonna do it again. Try both hands.
Yep, both hands.
My first attempt trying. I ain't gonna lie, I've never drifted with both hands.
You got to. That's the best way to do it. Have better control over the car.
My main goal is not to hit that stop sign.
Don't even look at it. Really kind of steep, but it seems like it's ripping out, like you said.
Yeah. It's like once you try to get there, once you turn around, this wheel just slides, it'll just pop back up.
It's got too much grip.
Way too much. Alright, you wanna try it?
Yeah, I tried. too. Oh, traction control was. Traction control was.
All right, first attempt after 3 tries.
Oh, I can't even get a second.
Yep. What was that?
Something sweet. So you probably need to get more gas.
Yeah, that's what it looked like.
It is really grippy, but just more gas. Not bad.
Yeah.
So I'm trying to give it more gas.
All right. Let's see. So when you started, you was like about like right here.
Yep. Just had a little bit of space.
Yeah, I ain't giving no gas either.
Yep.
Like I stopped giving the gas at the wrong time.
Yep. So so what you did, as soon as it kicked out, you got off the gas.
Yep. All right. This
Try
is
to
first
do two
try.
hands.
You're right. I keep forgetting about that. This is my first try. All them other tries ain't fucking matter. Dang.
That was good though.
I know. It felt good. I ain't gonna lie.
You kind of freaked out.
Yeah. I kind of steered way too damn hard.
Yeah, that's all it was. Just overshot it.
Yep. All right, ladies, keep going. I should have just slowed into it like you said, because the car was already about to get back straight. I just whipped it too hard. Okay.
Yeah. You have to like kind of move with the car. I know it's hard to explain this kind of stuff, right? Like drifting or whatever. You can get like tips, but like the only way you can really learn is by doing it.
Always, I think it's gonna keep going now. But like just the slightest movement of turning back right,
Yeah, exactly.
Straighten you back up.
Yeah, exactly. When you counter steer, it catches the car's angle, and the car will want to stay at that angle as long as you control the counter steer properly.
Woo!
That was close.
Dang, bro.
That was a nice save though.
Yeah, I definitely ain't gonna crash it. I know that for a fact. That's why I'm choosing this right here. If I can just either go in the grass or come back over here.
Oh yeah. Yeah, you just turned to right the first time, and then that time you didn't give it enough.
Damn it! No gas that time.
Yeah, you didn't give it enough gas that time. Going crazy.
I could have had it that time. I could have fucking had it if I would have just committed.
All right, park by my car. We're gonna review the footage.